Miss Leiola. Kumagore ke mo to pas-pasi mai ay Miss Leiola.
My sarong depicts the colors of the horizon, the sunrise and the sunset, as Tonga was anciently known as where time begins, and symbolizes this year's coronation as a new beginning. My sarong tie is called the Niu, meaning governed by a ruler. It is simple yet elegant and comfortable to swim in. It is a blend of the three horizon colors, highlighted by the design of the Heilala and Kalo fruit, woven together to illuminate my pride at being a Tongan Fuimaono and of being Miss Leiola 2015. The red symbolizes life, strength, leadership, radiance and determination. Yellow is a symbol of joy, hope, positivity, clarity, high-spirited, optimism, enlightenment, intellect, honor, and loyalty. The pattern of the Heilala is a kupesi from the northern part of Vava'u, created and designed by Brittne Fuimaono, who based the design on the patterns of the flesh on a skinned tuna fillet. The gallo design is representative of the maka plant in which Tongan oil is obtained. The pattern shows the inside cross-section of the seed pod. My sarong is accessorized with a pearl necklace and 2 taro leaves carved on a mother-of-pearl shell to accentuate the simplicity yet nobility of the sarong tie. My sarong is a description of my character and was designed, hand-printed and hand-dyed by our very own Leiola, located in the heart of Nuku'alofa. Much ofalahiatu, Miss Leiola 2015, Brittne Fuimaono.
Kada ke mo to pas-pasi mai ay Miss Leiola. Bo pas-pasi mai Miss Brittne Fuimaono. Ko e whatapue ko osi hono au whaki. Kai ata ke uwhai hawhamatanga ki hopu kakei ko e Miss Leiola wāwhe tahadiba. Brittne Fuimaono. Mei he whanga ko alo whaki e lotu mei loto kolomotua. Fia, tangane toha. Ko hoku sei, o ko laukau ake. E koe matanga o e kaute. Aia koe logo o e kautaha, Leiola. Nai ngauhi mei he kawarei pulu, pea pitoi ake e matai tofe hina. Mei he taulanga matai tofe. Pea whakamofisifisi ake ai kawha ke whawhotunga e langakari. O e api ko waku ho e lotu. Ko hopu kahawa, ko e tofe na ukufi mei he whatawhata mawhanga. O tui pea sani e he nima mea o tina apuina. Ko hopu kakei, ko e kawha o kukonga ua. Ko e kofu o kune whawhotunga mai e ngatu ko e pangai kawha. Aia ko e hala kawha, ko e kawari puru mei he niu mata e moe toega o e kofu. Ko e niu mata ta e tao pea haha. O fi halau ngeau i ko mai kawha, pea uwhai te kūnima. Puno ke whawhiangai, te ria e aho o hono uhinga. Ko e konga ki lalo a hopu kakei, ko e kawha na e sia Heilala, pea whungani aki e ke esi kerea, na e tuwhi mei he wai sarisari, mo e soko tau whaahau. O tui ki he wheta aki. Ko e toi ko ka angai peia e whakawhae mei he lolo, longo, poto he lau kau, mo e hāpana o roto kapeta. Ko e hawhei, ko e kawha, na e sia pia whungani aki e tofe, pia tohi tongia i e Leiola, pia hirioa i boto whungani, ko e kato mo skata kawha. Tulo, e kai ke to'o, katei hapai. Isa he koe kato pe ai kai vai. Ko hoto ka ke i pui koe whakawhetania. Koe whawhetai ki he langi. E koe o tua mo Tonga ko hoto tofia. Koe tufunga wala, koe nima mea aia, o ki tonga ane, ko sione maire seni, mei loto kapeta kolokotua. Wababatu, mahalo, nuiloa, Miss Leiola, wafe tahanipa, Brittne, Heilala, upou whakataupure, Fuimaono. Rio, mo te paspasi mai ai Miss Leiola.